Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're going to be installing the LuckPerms plugin, which allows server admins to control what features players can use by creating groups and assigning permissions to those groups. Prerequisite, you will need a paper server that is up and running. I will leave a link to this in the description so you can get one set up. After you get it set up, go ahead and head to the second link, which will be the LuckPerms plugin page. All you got to do is hit download, select platform. We're going to be installing it for paper, so let's do paper, and it's going to be version 1.21.4, and then click download. It'll pop up right here, and then once that's downloaded, go to your server directory, head into plugins, and then just drag the jar file in there. And then once it's in there, we can go ahead and start the server up. As you see, it can see that LuckPerms is in the plugin folder, so it will attempt to load it. Right there you see it was loaded, and then the server is up and running, so I'll see you once I get in game. Alright, so now that we're in game, the first thing you'll probably want to do is go ahead and create some groups. So to create a group, all you do is /LP, create group, and then what it wants here is going to be the name, the weight of the group, and the display name. So we're going to do admin. And the weight, we're going to do 1,000. Basically, if a player is in multiple groups, it will pull the permissions from the highest weighted group they have. And then we'll just set the display name to admin. Alright, as you can see, we successfully created the admin group. Now to set a player's group, what you want to do is /LP user, their username. And then what you want to do is parent set, and then the group that you want to put them in. So we're going to put them in the admin group. And just like that, we added myself to the admin group. Now let's go over how to add and remove permissions to groups. So what you want to do is LP group, and then the group name. So we're going to do admin permission set. And then let's go ahead and do the game mode permission, which will allow me to change my game mode. So for that, it is minecraft.command.gamemode. And then right here, if we set it to false, that will make it so I cannot use this. But if we set it to true, that will give me the permission I need to go ahead and change my game mode. Obviously, I'm in op right now, so I will be able to do that. So let's go ahead and de-op myself. And then, as you can see, we still have the permission to change our game mode here. One other cool thing that this plugin allows you to do is /LP editor. And what that'll do... oh, I'm not an operator no more. One second. So what LP editor does, as you see, it says preparing a new editor session. If you click this link, it'll allow you to open it in your browser. And down here, it'll ask you just to make sure that it was actually you. You can click here. And then once you go back to your browser, it'll load up. It'll show you the users, the groups. And if you look in here, it shows that we added this permission to this group. You can add more permissions down here. So we could do minecraft.command and add that, and then that just gives us access to all the Minecraft commands. And that's how you set up LuckPerms. If you have any suggestions for future tutorials, go ahead and leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe.